Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, wireless module, hard disk drive assembly, display panel assembly, and display bezel. Removal. Peel back the retention tape that secures the display panel cable to the display enclosure. Partially remove the display panel cable from the routing channel on the display enclosure. Peel back the retention tape and disconnect the display panel cable from the connector on the transfer board. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the left webcam daughter board ZIF connector and disconnect the left webcam daughter board ribbon cable from the transfer board. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the right webcam daughter board ZIF connector and disconnect the right webcam daughter board ribbon cable from the transfer board. Using a non-metallic flat-bladed tool, carefully separate the transfer board from the adhesive and alignment pins that secure it to the display enclosure and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the transfer board.